Introduction. In the ever-evolving world of photography, Nikon has consistently been at the forefront, blending tradition with innovation. The rumored Nikon ZFR is poised to continue this legacy, promising a harmonious blend of classic design and cutting-edge technology. As whispers about its features circulate, the Nikon ZFR is generating significant buzz among photography aficionados. A nod to the past, embracing retro design. The Nikon ZFR is expected to pay homage to Nikon's rich heritage, drawing inspiration from iconic models like the Nikon FM2. This retro aesthetic isn't merely about nostalgia. It's a deliberate design choice aimed at photographers who appreciate the tactile experience of manual controls combined with modern functionality. Sensor and image quality, elevating the standard. At the heart of the Nikon ZFR lies a rumored 60-megapixel full-frame sensor. This significant leap in resolution caters to professionals seeking unparalleled detail, especially in genres like landscape and studio photography. Enhanced dynamic range and color depth are anticipated, potentially offering 14-bit or even 16-bit RAW support, aligning with the capabilities of medium-format systems. Video capabilities, meeting the demands of hybrid shooters. In today's multimedia landscape, a camera's video prowess is as crucial as its photographic capabilities. The Nikon ZFR is speculated to support 8K video recording, providing filmmakers and content creators with high-resolution footage suitable for cropping and reframing without compromising quality. Efficient heat management will be vital to ensure sustained performance during extended shoots. Ergonomics and usability, addressing past feedback. While the retro design is a significant draw, Nikon is expected to refine the ergonomics based on feedback from previous models. A redesigned grip for improved comfort during prolonged use, along with intuitive placement of manual dials for ISO, shutter speed, and exposure compensation, will enhance the user experience. Market positioning, carving a unique niche. The Nikon ZFR is anticipated to position itself as a premium offering, targeting professionals and enthusiasts who value both form and function. By combining high-resolution imaging with a distinctive design, it aims to stand apart from competitors like the Sony A7, RV, and Canon EOS R5, which prioritize speed and autofocus performance. Anticipated release and pricing. While official details remain under wraps, industry insiders suggest a release window in late 2026 or early 2027. Given its advanced features and premium positioning, the Nikon ZFR is expected to command a higher price point, reflecting its status as a flagship model. Conclusion. The Nikon ZFR represents a bold step in Nikon's mirrorless journey, merging the charm of classic design with the demands of modern photography. As anticipation builds, the photography community eagerly awaits official announcements, hopeful that the Nikon ZFR will deliver on its promise of innovation wrapped in nostalgia.